y'all, it's just me again coming in with a quick little DIY centerpiece. I'm actually up trying to kind of redecorate the kitchen. So I needed a centerpiece for my table, and I'm just recycling, reusing, and putting together another arrangement for the center. I had this on my table last year. I ordered this container here from Michael's online. It was on clearance. I got this and a picture actually to go with it. And let me grab the picture because I'm not sure if I want to use the picture or this little planner here. But here's the picture. I got these both at the same time offline. They were on clearance, like I said. They were probably maybe $7 to $10 a piece. It may have been cheaper than that, but anyway, I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna make this little centerpiece and see how I like it, and then go from there. But I'm incorporating all this in the kitchen, like I said, because this is my accent color red. And then I have the metals going on in here, the you know, the aged rustic metal look going. So yeah, so what I have, of course, is this foam brick that I got from Hobby Lobby. I think it was on, I used a coupon or something to get 3 of them. I think it was 3 in a pack or something like that. But anyway, I actually took this out of another arrangement that I had. But anyway, moving on. I also have these floral stems that I actually had incorporated into my Christmas decor. I bought these because they have the evergreen, I guess, color, or the evergreen sprigs or whatever with the berries, because evergreens basically are like pine trees, boxwood, anything that stays green all year, and you can incorporate it into your decor all year. I mean, naturally, I'm not gonna put well, some people do put a Christmas tree up, but if you have, like, you know, boxwood, cedar, all that kind of stuff, those are evergreens. So anyway, this reminds me of boxwood. I'm not sure what they are, but anywho, I got these again at Hobby Lobby. They were like 40% off or whatever. So I got, I want to say, what is this? 6 of each of them. So I'm just going to incorporate them together and make a little arrangement with these in this planner here, because I want something full. I'm just going to push these down in here like so, and kind of just fluff everything out once I get all of them in there. So I'm just starting with the one of each color, and then I'm just going to work my way around. It is still winter time, so I'm not trying to do the spring thing. I'm not ready for spring yet, so I'm not ready to, you know, start with the pastel colors and the cool color scheme and all that stuff. I'm not ready for the Easter eggs and the bunny, and I'm really not ready for Valentine's Day, but they're kind of forcing it on us. But I wanted something that'll take me through until spring. So this is what I am working with, y'all. So I'm just gonna add you know, the colors alternating, you know what I mean, and then I'm just gonna kind of fill in around the sides. And I like stuff like this because I can reuse it. I don't want anything permanent because I change decor like the wind changes it. I just want something, you know, different every now and then. Okay, that's that one. So now we're gonna take a white one. Like I said, I want it full. So just putting them in as I go. Last year I had some spring flowers that I got again on clearance. I think it was Hobby Lobby, and I put them in here, and then when fall came, I took all that stuff off of the table and put something else as a centerpiece. So I like changing up, and I love this container because it really works with what I've got going on. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in that picture. I may hit up Dollar Tree and kind of see what they have. They have some nice flowers. The only thing about Dollar Tree is you got to make sure you get some that really look as realistic as possible, because sometimes they can be kind of cheesy. But anyway, it's just how you work with them that counts. So let me see, I'm trying to make sure I get the colors dispersed evenly. So I'm liking, let's see how this is coming out. Let me see if I can raise you guys up, because I think I'm a little too close. So let me raise you up so you can see what's happening. Oops, sorry y'all. My camera stand is crappy. There we go. Hopefully that's a little better. Let me straighten you up a little. Sorry y'all. There we go. I think that's better. Okay. But yeah, I'm liking how this is looking so far. And let's see. Put a little more here. And what I may end up doing, because I can still see the foam, I'm gonna get some of the floral moss that I've got left over from some previous projects and just fill in the bottom. So I don't want to see that foam. I probably should have got that before I started, but anyway. Yeah. Trying to see where all the holes are so I can plug in some. But I'm liking this. I like earthy stuff. I'm not a big foo-foo kind of flower person. I like natural looking flowers, you know what I mean? I like roses and, you know, things like that. But I don't like a whole lot of stuff, so to speak. It has to look believable to me and natural. Okay. So like I said, see, you can see that. So that can be taken care of with floral moss. And so I didn't bring it in here, but once I show you the pictures, in the end, you'll see it with the moss. So now I'm just fluffing. And another thing I'm thinking about doing, maybe I can add a little burlap, because I've done that before. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know. We'll see. But see how full that looks, y'all? I'm loving that. I'm really liking how this is looking. So I'm thinking, because I'm really liking how that looks. Hold on a second. Let me run and get the burlap that I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm going to do with it. So stay tuned for that. Okay, y'all, I am back. I decided to go against using the burlap because I was going to use the burlap as a filler or a camouflage to hide the foam underneath. But what I decided to use was some Spanish moss. And it comes in bags like this. You can get it in Dollar Tree, any craft store, whatever. Spanish moss is the moss that looks, you know, aged and kind of dead, weathered, if you will. And then you have like floral moss, which is this one. And it's like, it's still green, but it has some of the dead moss in it, I guess. I don't know. It has the darker moss inside. And then you have your reindeer moss, which is a little looser, a little softer, and it's a little more, I guess, kind of pale in color. But you have different versions or textures or whatever. But I wanted that one because it is winter and, you know, things are kind of dead and frozen and all that stuff. So I wanted that for the table for right now. So it worked pretty good. I didn't have a whole lot left because I had actually used about half of a bag. So I just put the rest of it that was left in here to camo, and it worked pretty good for me. So I'm good. And like I said, this will get me through until spring, and when spring rolls around, I'll probably repurpose or take these floral picks out and do something else, because I like the container. I love the red, as you can see. And I'm gonna show you pictures and stuff as far as how it looks on the table and everything. But yeah, I kind of like this. I like that earthiness of it. It brings nature inside. You know, like I always say, try to get stuff when you're doing the floral picks and flowers and stems and all that stuff. Get the ones that look the most realistic. Yeah, because that's the whole purpose of the faux flowers and things like that. You want them to look real. So anywho, that is it. And then I guess, you know what, let me clear this stuff off so you can actually see kind of what it looks like on the table. And once I get through with the whole kitchen, you can kind of see. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. Just kind of give you a view of what it looks like on the table. Oh, but there we go. But I love that. Yeah, I have a burlap runner. I need to straighten it out. But I love the earthiness of it. So yeah, love this. I'm having fun in here. It's almost 12 o'clock and I'm in here playing around in the kitchen. But yeah, I love that. So I guess that's gonna do it for this video. And I will be bringing more videos like this, so stay tuned for that. So I guess I will see you in the next video. Bye.